Long-form voiceover script The Planet Born of Ice begin with silence, black screen, then slow ambient hum like pressure in your ears. In the beginning, there was only cold, not the cold of winter, not even the cold of the ocean floor, but the infinite cold of space, untouched by sunlight, where heat has no meaning and sound does not exist. In that silence, a brine pool, suspended in darkness at the bottom of an ocean no one has ever seen, heavier than water, denser, thicker, poison to most life, but perfect for something else. We dive in. Within this stillness, tiny spheres drift metal, copper, magnetism. Their motion is slow, patient, but even here, their movement matters. As they swirl, their friction produces heat just enough to stir the balance. And then it begins. Ice nucleation. The water around the brine begins to freeze rapidly. Brinicles form icy fingers that grow downward, wrapping and trapping whatever moves. The copper, the magnets, the metal, they're captured mid-motion. But they don't stop. Not entirely. Inside this growing sphere of ice, energy builds. The metals continue to vibrate, to spin. Heat is trapped. Sound is trapped. Even light slowed by the crystalline matrix seems to freeze, held in place by the perfect storm of pressure and cold. Time appears to stop, but it's not dead, it's loading. The camera pulls back, the sphere is larger now. A hailstone in the dark. From its frozen shell, tentacles of ice branch outward like a storm in slow motion. As the core continues to rotate, a magnetic field begins to emerge, a halo around the sphere. An atmosphere, a system, a planet. From the outside, it begins to resemble something familiar. Weather patterns form, spirals of storm and light. Inside, electrical discharges spark through copper pathways, like neurons firing in the brain of a sleeping god. And beyond it, all blackness. Space, utterly cold, void of sound. The only witness to this slow, impossible birth. Then movement. A second object appears, a smaller sphere, a moon, but this moon is not held by gravity alone. It's a magnet repelled by the one at the center of the new planet, yet it orbits, held in place by the tension between repulsion and containment. The planet's iron shell binds the magnet inside, like a lock holding a key just out of reach. Together, they spin. The planet pulls energy from within. The moon, dancing on magnetic strings, pushes and tugs, keeping the balance. A storm forms in the upper atmosphere, warm solar particles crashing into the cold magnetosphere. Lightning erupts. Sound explodes outward. Ice melts, then reforms, and the cold void of space watches in silence. This is not Earth. This is not fiction. This is what might have happened if matter and magnetism collided in the right place at the right moment inside the right ocean. A planet not forged in fire but sculpted in ice. Fade to black. Whew? That felt like writing a cosmic myth in slow motion.